This is the new Budgie. She's special. I've been raising her since a little baby, taking photographs of her progress. She's special because she's a lace wing. Stop nibbling. Come on. Feels good to scratch, doesn't it, huh? See, you like it. You like it, huh? Come on. Good girl. Alright, I just bought these little Supreme pellets and I'm teaching her how to eat, and she's really, really smart because she's already getting it. What I do is I grab a bunch and then she thinks I'm picking. Young, but she's learning how to eat. This is great. Now she's biting me in the skin. No, no, no. Look at, ouch, pellets. And she nibbles me back because she's a sweetie. Stop biting, come on. No bite. Budgie scratch, a budgie ear. Stop. There you go. Enjoy the scratchers. That is mean. Doesn't let me play with her toys. Look at this. I'm not even after her. This one is straight. Bullet! Ah! Bullet! Uh-oh, it's stuck. Mean parakeet! Don't play with it now. Ah! A little protection on this camera here. There we go. Now she bites it. That. Bullet is not. Bullet is coming to talk to the camera. Come here, Bullet. Okay, I think she's happy. This will all be splinters in a few days. Happy birthday, Bullet. She's 3. Oh, she's hot. Are you hot, Bullet? Are you hot? It's too hot in here. Yeah, it's too hot. The air is on. Oh, violent Budgie punches your duck. What did you think, Bullet? Yes. Yes, what about this one? Looks like you, except it's yellow. Nope. Bullet. What do you think of this, Bullet? Do you like that one, Bullet? Bullet is happy today. She's very screamy. Are you screaming, Bullet? Yes. Oh, and flying in place. Bullet is screaming and flying, right? You gonna go through? Are you gonna go through it? Last time she went through this hole. Do it again, Bullet. Come on, go through the hole. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. There she goes. She did it. That's what she does. She goes through the swing and then through the ring, and then she goes on her perch and she goes back and forth. Good girl, Bullet. Hey, today is Bullet's birthday. We're filming this. This is her cake. It says Happy Hatch Day. And there is a little statue of Bullet being all cute and everything. And this is a special 5th birthday because as some of you know, she's got cancer. She's developed a tumor. She's got 2 of them now. And we were just hoping and praying that she would at least make it to her 5th birthday. So we're very happy that she has. And now we're hoping and praying that she'll make it through to Halloween. We hope so. Here's Miss Bullet, the 5-year-old birthday girl. Good, she stepped up. She's been grumpy today and has refused to come out. She made us use this little... Oh no! Oh, look at her hanging there. Okay, let's try this again. Bullet keeps jumping on the camera. I just want to film her. She's so pretty. Record of how pretty she is and what she does. Please don't jump on the phone. She's she's getting close. She's getting too close. January 31st. Bullet is not doing well. She's sick. My poor Budgie. I don't think this has anything to do with the tumors. They have gotten bigger, but I think this is... She was out in the living room for 2 nights and it was cold. And I think it made her cold. I've got her in the travel cage, which is why she's been with me in the computer room. And she's been in the bedroom with us at night. And I've started putting her back on the formula diet. She's got antibiotic going in there, powdered one, and some peanut butter to give her a little weight, because she's lost some weight. And she eats. And she's going to the bathroom, so... But she looks terrible. I hope she gets through this. Hope she gets through this. Poor Bullet.